Hi, today we're going to learn how to open our Gmail. So first of all, we're starting at the google.com website. Then we look in the top right-hand corner, you'll see Gmail and images. We're going to simply left click on the word Gmail. This will take us into our inbox. We have quite a few emails here waiting for us, and you'll notice many of them are bolded, and there's one that is not bolded. What is the difference, you say? Well, if it is bolded, that means we have not read them yet. And if it is not bolded, then we already have read that email. So how do we open an email? We can click on the person who it's from or the subject line. So I'm just going to click what we've opened already once before. Here we are. We have our email. It was not hard. So what can we do? We've read it and we say, okay, that's great. How do we delete an email? It's really quite easy. We go up to the top here and we have a little toolbar and there's a garbage can. And when I point the mouse to the garbage can, you'll see the word, it says delete. All we have to do is left click on our mouse and the email is gone. Okay, so we're going to open another one. We simply click on the name, and here we are in our email. Okay, and how do we delete the email? We are going to go up to the top, garbage can, left click on the word on the garbage can, which is going to delete it. Okay, people do send documents and pictures and emails. So we're going to click the next or open up the next email. You'll see at the bottom here that there is a picture. So, and it's quite small. And how do we open it to be bigger? You'll notice on the picture, there's one little corner that's been folded. If we click that folded corner, you'll see it becomes very big. Okay, very interesting picture. Now, what do we do to get out of the picture? Up in the left corner, you'll see an arrow to the left, and if we point to it, you'll see the word close. That is the one we want to click. So we're going to left click on that arrow. Now we want to get out of this email and go back to our inbox. Up in the top, you'll see there is an arrow pointing to the left, and if you hover your mouse over it, it says back to inbox. We are going to left click on that arrow, and we're back to our inbox. Next one is a document. We're going to click on the next email, and you'll see that this is a document. And again, you'll see the little corner flipped in the bottom. We're going to click on that, and you will get a big picture of the document. So this is a document and a picture, and they are exactly the same way to open it. Again, we go up to the left corner, and we click the arrow where it says close. And that's all there is to it.